Are you tired of sleepless nights and constant bathroom trips? You're not alone. Many men face prostate problems, believing they're just signs of aging. But what if I told you this isn't the whole truth? Prostate issues often start deep within your metabolic system. Factors like inflammation, hormonal imbalance, and cellular stress can build up for years before symptoms appear. This is where the Advanced Prostate Formula comes into play. This cutting-edge supplement is developed by top doctors at Advanced Bionutritionals. It's designed to target the root causes of prostate discomfort rather than just masking the symptoms. The Advanced Prostate Formula combines 13 powerful nutrients. These ingredients have been clinically studied for their ability to support prostate function, balance hormones, and improve urinary flow. Among these, ingredients like saw palmetto, pygeum, beta-sitosterol, zinc, and lycopene work in harmony. They help calm inflammation, promote a normal prostate size, and contribute to uninterrupted sleep. Unlike harsh medications, this natural approach empowers your body to maintain its balance, strength, and vitality. Thousands of men have already discovered the benefits. They enjoy better rest, fewer disruptions, and a renewed confidence. The best part? This formula is completely drug-free. It even comes with a 90-day satisfaction guarantee, ensuring peace of mind. If you're over 40 and starting to notice early signs like slower flow and frequent urges, don't wait. Take advantage of this doctor-developed secret for lasting prostate health and overall well-being. True strength lies in taking control of your health. With Advanced Prostate Formula, that control starts today. For more details, check out my blog at fit5fusion.com.